Aditya.
Hi, sir.
Today I am going to ask you a few proverbs in Marathi. You have to tell me their meanings in English.
Yes,
Should we
sir.
start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, उक्तीपेक्षा कृती श्रेष्ठ.
Actions speak louder than words.
Please repeat again. उक्तीपेक्षा कृती श्रेष्ठ.
Actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words. Very nice. Second, नाचता येईना अंगण वाकडे.
A bad workman quarrels with his tools.
Excellent. Next proverb, गरजेला हात देतो तोच खरा मित्र.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
Okay, very nice. Next one, गडगडत जाणाऱ्या दगडाला शेवाळे चिकटत नाही.
A rolling stone gathers no moss.
Very nice. Next one, वेळीच केलेल्या उपायाने संभाव्य मोठी हानी टळते.
Sir, please repeat proverb again.
ओके, वेळीच केलेल्या उपायाने संभाव्य मोठी हानी टळते.
A stitch in time saves nine.
Very nice. A stitch in time saves nine. Next one, शहाण्याला शब्दाचा मार. शहाण्याला शब्दाचा मार.
A word is enough for a wise.
A word is enough for the wise. Very nice. Next one, प्रेमात आणि युद्धात सर्व काही क्षम्य असते.
All is fair in love and war.
ओके, व्हेरी नाइस. जे चकाकते ते सर्व सोनेच नसते.
All that glitters is not gold.
एक्सलंट. थँक यू.